Hello students, welcome to the session of coordinate geometry. Now I am going to explain plotting a point in the plane if its coordinates are given. First I am going to explain the horizontal line and the vertical line meet at one point. That point is origin. The horizontal line is called x-axis and the vertical line is y-axis. The origin value is 0, 0. The horizontal line and the vertical line divide the plane into 4 quadrants. This is first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. In the first quadrant, both x and y are positive. In the second quadrant, x is negative, y is positive. In the third quadrant, both x and y are negative. In the fourth quadrant, x is positive, y is negative. Now we are going to plot the points. Okay, our question is, in which quadrant or on which axis do each of the points minus 2, 4, 3, minus 1, minus 1, 0, 1, 2 and minus 3, minus 5 lie? Verify your answer by locating them on the Cartesian plane. First I am going to mark the point minus 2, 4. The point minus 2, 4, abscissa value is negative, ordinate value is positive. So minus, plus. Minus, plus means that is second quadrant only. So first we have to move the point from the origin. X value is negative, so we have to move left hand side on the x-axis. Then we have to move upwards, positive 4 value. 4 distance units we have to move. So the A of minus 2, 4 point in second quadrant only. The next point is 3, minus 1. Abscissa is positive, ordinate is negative. Plus, minus means that point is in fourth quadrant only. What is the x value? Actually 3. So we have to move from the origin 3 unit places. Then we have to move downwards 1 value only. So the b value 3, minus 1 in fourth quadrant. The next value minus 1, 0. Here we have x value but we don't have y value. So the point minus 1, 0 lie on negative x-axis only because our abscissa value is negative. So minus 1, 0 we have to mark on the negative x-axis. The next point is 1, 2. Both x and y are positive only. So the 1, 2 point in first quadrant only. So x value is 1, y value is 2, d of 1, 2 in first quadrant. The next one is minus 3, minus 5. Both x and y are negative only. So the point is in third quadrant. Third quadrant we have to move first from the origin 3 units. Then we have to move downwards 5 units. So minus 3, minus 5 is in third quadrant. The important note is the x coordinate of a point is its perpendicular distance from the y-axis. Actually we are going to mark a x value. The point is perpendicular distance from the y-axis only. Next one, the y coordinate of a point is perpendicular distance from the x-axis. Suppose we are going to mark a y coordinate value. The point is perpendicular distance from the x-axis only. The next problem, plot the points x, y given in the following table on the plane, choosing suitable units of distance on the axis. Here one tabular column is given. We just mark the points only. The x values are minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 3. And the y values are 8, 7, minus 1.25, 3 and minus 1. 1 difference only the y values. So x values also minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 3. 1 units only difference. So we have to make a graph. So first we have to choose a scale. X axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. Y axis also 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. Draw a graph. Horizontal line is x axis and the vertical line is y axis. The point of intersection is origin. Give a name that is O only. X, x dash, y, y dash. Okay. First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. Now we are going to mark a points. First point is actually minus 2, 8. The second point is minus 1, 7. Third is 0, minus 1.25. The fourth one is 1, 3 and the final one is 3, minus 1. First point is minus 2, 8. Minus, plus. So minus, plus means that is actually in second quadrant only. So first we have to move from the origin 2 unit place, minus 2. Then plus 8 means we have to move upwards because y value is positive there only. So the point minus 2, 8 is in second quadrant. Our next point is minus 1, 7. Minus 1, 7 also minus, plus only. That point is also in second quadrant only, because x value is negative, y value is positive. Actually in first quadrant both are plus only. In second quadrant x is negative, y is positive. In the third quadrant both are negative. In the fourth quadrant x is positive, y is negative. What is our second point? Minus 1, 7. So first we have to move the distance from the origin 1 unit, that is negative only. Next our ordinate value is plus 7. So we have to move upwards, that is 7. Minus 1, 7 also in second quadrant. Our third value is 0, minus 1.25. 0, minus 1.25 means we don't have a x value. So the point is on the y-axis only. But ordinate value is minus 1.25 means that is actually negative y-axis. So 0, minus 1.25. This is minus 1, this is minus 2. The middle like thick line is actually 1.5. In between only you have to mark minus 1.25. The next point is 1, 3. 1, 3 means both are positive only. So directly we are going to mark a point in first quadrant. From the origin positive value 1 unit, then upwards positive value 3 units, 1, 3. The next point is 3, minus 1. Here x value is positive, y value is negative. Plus, minus means the point is in fourth quadrant only. So first from the origin we have to move 3 units. Then downwards only we have to mark 1 unit. So 3, minus 1 in fourth quadrant only. That's all.